Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to increase the text message size on Samsung Galaxy S22. So let's do it. So if I will go to the messages, you will see that now this is the text size for my messages, and to increase this, just go back and go to settings, and here go to display, go down, and we have here screen zoom, and this is now the size of the screen zoom, and to increase it just press on the plus sign and press again, and this is maximum. And now let's go back and go to messages, and this is now the messages text size. So as you can see, now are bigger. So this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.